Numerical control equipment for offshore pipeline hot tapping. Research and development background. Offshore oil has been playing an important role in world oil production increase. The research and development of maintenance and emergency repair equipment is the key to guarantee the offshore pipeline safe operation. Offshore pipeline hot tapping machine is the most critical equipment for submarine maintenance and emergency repair operation. According to the operation requirements, Numerical has successfully researched and developed the hot tapping equipment for high-pressure offshore operation. Technical characteristics and parameters. Pressure balance. The principle of a pressure balance system is balancing pressure between tapping machine and outside seawater by using pressure balancer to adapt to the environment in different water depth. Remote control system. Shipboard electronic control system, which can ensure hot tapping status, realizes remote control by transmitting signal to controller through control cable. Controllability. The whole hot tapping process, performed by automatic control, has the features of practicability and extendability. The data and videos of hot tapping process will be saved by engineering workstation. Main parameter. Tapping size range 76 mm to 508 mm. Design operation pressure 10 MPa. Operation temperature -10 to -80 Celsius degree. Maximum travel of boring bar 1677 mm. Product composition. Hydraulic power unit, tapping machine casing, boring bar, screw rod, auxiliary feed motor and drive motor, pressure balancer, accumulator, control cabinet, hydraulic connecting hose. Operating principle. Hydraulic power unit transfers the power to auxiliary feed motor and drive motors, and the auxiliary feed motor is in charge of the stretch of a boring bar. As the cutting motor is in charge of the rotation of a cutter. The fully integrated design of Siemens ST300 PLC remote control system realizes the automation control of the whole tapping process. To adapt the marine tapping, we can monitor and control the amount of feed, rotation rates, and engagement of a cutter by remote control system. We can also control the hydraulic component to keep balance between tapping machine and external environment and adapt various aquatic environments.